Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of calculating unit rates. This is standard 7.4b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 22 off the 2021 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So Hector is going to a hockey game, and we've got a total here of $105, and we've got 6 tickets, and look at this, each ticket costs the same amount. So right here, when we see the same amount, that makes us think equal groups. And hopefully when we see equal groups, we are thinking multiplication or division, because that's usually a hint that we're going to be using either one of those. So what is the cost of each ticket? So there's our unit price. So what we are looking for is the dollars, how much it costs per ticket. Watch, even if we use this notation, this actually kind of tells us what we need to do. So we need dollars per ticket. And so this per here lets us know that we're going to be making a ratio. So dollars over ticket. So let's look at it this way here. We've got dollars per, right? This per is kind of our ratio symbol there. Ticket. What do we know so far? We know that we've got $105 for 6 tickets. And so we want to know how many dollars does one ticket cost. So let's just take a look. We've got a strip diagram that we could make here, but I think most of you have kind of figured out what operation we are needing to do here. 105. And take a look. We've got 6 tickets, and our question is how much is each ticket? And yeah, we need to divide here. If we divide this 105 into 6 equal groups, that will let us know how much each ticket costs. So let's go ahead and just divide 6 into 105. 6 goes into 1 0 times, but it goes into 10 once. We're ignoring that 5 for right now. We're just going to bring it down now that we've got a remainder. 6 goes into 45, not evenly, but we'll get close. $17. So far, that's going to get us a 42. 7 times 6. Now, we need to add a decimal. We're not really going to do remainders. That's not going to be very helpful. So let's put a decimal. Let's bring a 0, and that's going to get us what we need. So 6 goes into 35 times. All right, so our answer is 17.5, or since we're doing dollars and cents, $17.50. But we can do all of this, still get it wrong if we bubble it in incorrectly. And if you want, right, we can multiply by 6 to make sure we get back up to 105, but we know we're going to. That's 30, 42, 45. That's going to be 10, 1 digit behind the decimal. So 1 digit behind the decimal. So yeah, that gets us back. But we've got no F, G, H, or J to choose from. It is a free response, so we have to make sure we bubble this in correctly. So it's going to look like this. You're going to have a decimal point that's got really thin column with no bubbles underneath it. You're going to have 2 columns to the right. Those are your decimal points, your tenths and hundredths. You're going to get 4 columns to the left, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Then you're also going to get a little positive, negative. If you have a negative answer, you can bubble it in. So we need to get our 17.5. So if you did this, if you just did 17.5, you would actually get the correct answer. Now, you might want to do the 0, make you feel better. Either one is going to work.